Howdy, I'm John Richmond, and I'm the inventor of the Sluice Goose GOLDROP pay dirt and gold separating processor. Today I'd like to introduce you to my machine shop, Industrial Rebuilders Corporation. This is the place where the Sluice Goose GOLDROP was conceived, incubated, and hatched as 12 different prototypes to prove my technology. So now I'd like to introduce you and show you the different machines I use in my machine shop process. This is the biggest machine I have here. This is a 6-foot swing lathe with a 5-foot diameter chuck. It has a 20-foot long bed with a big old steady rest at the end there. So this machine here is circa 1900. Was originally run by an overhead line shaft converted to an electric motor. This welder here is my metallizing arc spray welder. This machine runs 2 wires, continuously feeding them through this gun at that point of intersection. Each wire is negative and positive charge. When they touch, they melt, short out. There's a compressed air jet behind that point of intersection that then blows the molten material from the melt onto the base metal. This arc spray welder requires no ground. The molten metal is sprayed and deposited on the surface so that it sticks really well but will not come off. So we'll give you a scene of that also. This is my surface grinder. See the stone spinning there and the coolant running? This surface grinder has an 8-foot stroke. The table is 18 inches wide. The table is magnetic. So all metal, steel, that is put on the table, when the magnet is turned on, is held in place by the magnet, while the surface grinder runs across the surface and cleans the surface smooth and accurate and pretty. I'll give you a demonstration of this one also. This is a Milwaukee horizontal vertical milling machine, a number 4 size. We use this quite a bit for milling and also boring and just doing a lot of different functions. So we'll give you a demonstration of how this works also. This lathe here is a 28-inch swing and 10 feet between centers. This lathe is used quite a bit. It's one of my main machines along with that large 6-foot lathe. So we'll give you a demonstration of what goes on in this lathe. So, to round it out, these are all the lathes that I have. Whoops, a little too much. Got this one here, this one here. Behind the cabinet, we have this one here, and this one here, and this one here, and this one here. So, and then over here, now we have another lathe which is in repair at the moment. And then to round it out is my milling department. Milling machines. Here's another big one. And a big old radial drill press. So we use all these machines to fix customers' parts, make new, and do everything. There you go. This is my machine shop, and the things that I do here are quite remarkable. Well, thanks for watching, and thanks for being interested.